Not sure how to use your Samsung AC remote? Model number DB93-1463T. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Samsung AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. When you press the fan, up arrow and down arrow button, you can adjust the airflow speed of the AC. It lets you cycle through different fan levels, such as low, medium, high, or auto, giving you control over how strong or gentle the air circulation should be. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. The single-user button activates energy-saving mode by reducing the AC's cooling or heating capacity when only one person is in the room. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. The options button lets you access extra features and functions of the AC, such as quiet mode, fast cooling, or energy-saving settings. It allows you to customize comfort and efficiency beyond the basic cooling and heating modes. The Settings button opens the configuration menu for advanced adjustments. It allows you to fine-tune functions like display, sound, and other personalized preferences for smoother operation. When you press the Set button, it confirms and activates the timer or sleep settings you've chosen on the remote. This ensures the AC follows the exact schedule or mode you've programmed. The left and right navigation arrows are used to move left or right through menus, options, or settings on the display. They help you scroll between functions like timer, modes, or advanced features before confirming with the Set button. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Samsung AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.